Hello friends, welcome back to another tutorial. Hope you all are doing great. So this one is just a quick DIY of a pencil short skirt. Okay, so I already have my fabric folded into 4, so I'm going ahead to cut out the piece that I need. Just work with your biggest lower body measurement, which in this case is the hip. Okay, so just divide the hip into 4 and add about 3 inches to that. That's after folding it into 2, and you will have what to work with. Okay, yes, so I'm cutting out front and back, so you can see the back is extended by 2 inches, which is going to serve as the zipper allowance. Okay, yes, so this is what we have. So the length it's going to be having a band, so I took off 2 inches for that. So that's why I'm placing my tape starting from that 2 inches point. So going ahead to mark just the hip line, the new line, and of course the length of the skirt. Okay, that's just basically what we have here. Okay, the hip line at 9, the new line is at 18 inches. Then of course the full length of the skirt. Okay, totally depends on what you want. So going ahead to make a straight line, can see, yes. So once that is done, you can just go ahead and fixing the circumference of the body. So here I have this. Don't forget to also add the hemming allowance. I added hemming allowance of about 2.5 inches on the lower part. So I'm just going ahead to cut off the excesses that I don't need. So after that, now I'll be fixing the body measurement. So on the waistline, all I need to do, just divide your waist measurements into 4. Okay, whatever you have, add about 1.5 inches extra allowance there. On the hip line, the same thing, hip measurements divide by 4, and of course add extra 1.5 inches to that. Then on the knee length, you're also going to be fixing the hip measurement, okay, as well. But if you like, you can make it penciled. If you like, you can make it a straight line. So I made my pencil, which is not so much, just took away 1 inches after marking the same hip measurement, just went in 1 inches, and that was it. Okay, yes. And of course you just extend this all the way to the hem line, you can see. So the hip circumference divide by 4, mark the same thing on the hip, on the new line as well. Then take away 1 inches again. 1 inches or 1.5 is fine. So just extended it all the way to the full length of the skirt. Okay, and that's just what we have here. Just connect all the points and we're good to go. Is that simple? Okay, so this is just a very easy way to make a pencil skirt. So going ahead to cut this out. So once this is done, you're good to go. The joining of the piece is quite straightforward. Okay, yes, so there's nothing extra here. So you can see I'm going ahead to cut this out. You can see, so once this is done, also how to cut off the zipper space and notch. Okay, yes. Then of course you can also mark the dart line as well. So I just marked about 4 inches from the center, and that will serve as my dart line. So once that was done, the sewing was just an easy sewing process. Just went ahead, first of all you sew the dart. So the dart can be about 4 inches or 4.5. okay, then after that you can now attach the band. Okay, the band, so this is not having any lining, so it's just straightforward. So after attaching my lining, after attaching my band, I clean up the edges and join the side, and this skirt was practically ready. There was nothing extra at all. Okay, yes. So once I've done that, you can see what we have. Just went ahead to fix the zipper, join the sides, hem the lower part, and our skirt is ready. So that is it, guys, on how to make this very easy one. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me, and I hope you find this one helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with friends and sewing communities. I will see you on the next one. Bye. And don't forget that aside making female wears, I make and sell fashion accessories, which I sell in wholesale and retail. So what you see here, these are tote bags. These are DTF printed tote bags. You can want it in printed form like this, different design. You can also have it in plain form if that's what you want. Okay, there are other fashion accessories like the hair bonnet, cooking cap, sleeping robe. There's the maxi tote bag, there's the Ankara tote bag, fully padded, fully lined with inner pocket and zipper. You know, there's the sleep robe. There's so many accessories. Just reach out to Partner So Fashion. Will be there to attend to you. Okay, yeah, just call out on the number you see on the screens. We'll reach out. You'll be able to get to us. Yes, these are perfect gifting items for your souvenirs, and you know, a lot of beautiful things you can use this for. Yes, and for the DTF printing, I already have an online class that is ongoing. This is a very lucrative business as well. It's a method of branding and customization. You can go ahead and also share this to a lot of people that will find this helpful. You will see the flyer at the end of this video. Thank you guys. See you on the next one. Bye.